going to show you how to add end screen to your videos you want to upload for your YouTube channel. Now you have to sign in first and then go to your YouTube studio, which is here, and then on the left side you can go to your videos. It's here, and then you want to add end screen. End screen are those videos you want to promote 20 seconds before your video will gonna end, which are related to the videos you are uploading. And I'm going to pick this video, mine. I think this one. It's about the hair, and in the right side you can see this end screen, and here I can just delete those and I will move to new, or I can pick new end screen, new videos for my end screen. And here there is options, and this one you just import from latest video is here, and this one is video only, one video, any video related, and then your subscribe button, and then one playlist and subscribe button, and then it's here, it's become 3, one video, one link, any link you want to promote from other account or from your friend, or from, if you are like you have content that you just get from other video, you can promote also in this video. You get the link and you can just copy and paste in here. And then in here, one video and one playlist, you don't have subscribe button there. And then in this one is one video, one playlist, and one subscribe. You can just pick which one you want. Okay, I will just choose this. Okay, and it is here. You can see that video that best for viewers, and I will pick this is a video element. This best for viewers is, so you're not the one, when you are clicking that, it will not show here the video, but it will take time. The YouTube will gonna pick, we're gonna select it. And in this one, most recent video will automatically feature the most recently video uploaded. So which one is recent uploaded, it will show there when it's playing. Then it's here when you are choosing this one, this element, video element, then you're the one who will gonna choose which video you're gonna add for your end screen. It's here, and just pick the video you want, and I will pick this. This is related to hair also, and it will show here. And this one you can change the place where you want them to be. Okay, I'll just keep it there, the subscribe button here. And then there's another one that is related also the hair. Then I will going to select also that video, and then I will just click this, and it will show here, and then I will just click this, and I will go to the video element and choose specific video. Then go to your videos and select this. You can drag and you can change their places, but I will just choose it here. I'm just making sure that the viewers can still see what's inside or what's on the video still playing. It's not covering the video while still playing. Okay, I think that's enough. If you want to preview, then you will just click display. And that's it. Save it. If you want to delete it, you just make it like that. Click this, the video, and if you want to delete, and then save. And then there is other way also, that is automatically will gonna ask you to add the end screen when you are uploading new video. Here's the other way to add the end screen for your new upload. It will just appear when your video is now uploaded. Then you can just go next. It's not for kids. So and the next, and then we'll show here monetization, and then next it's video element. Yeah, it's here. You can add an end screen, import the video, import from video, and it's here. You just pick what you want that is related to your video uploaded. So you can pick from there. Let's say this can't be imported because of mismatching video aspect ratio. Okay, you just go from here, automatically go from here, pick the elements, and it should be come out 20 seconds before your video will end. So pick from here, it should be that this is playlist. So if you don't like playlist, just pick other element, video, and go to your specific video. So what we did earlier, and this we can delete. Okay, and you can drag and then just save.